First fish coming on the boat. There's a pouting. We got a pouting.
Video that. First fish of the day. First fish of the day. Oh. Hold it up. Right.
Monsters.
Yeah, put it back. Yeah.
Win the competition.
Well, at least he's come back up slowly, so he should go back.
Yeah. Yeah, she's alright.
No, no, he's...
No.
Might be alright. Get your head down.
Come back down. He's really fine.
Yeah. These cool fish.
Exactly. Let's take that one.
He's gonna go. He's going. He's going. He's going.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
going. Go on, go on, Woods. Go on, Woods. Go on. Get out here. Yeah.
He's gone.
What? I don't know if we were going to move in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Leave it on.
Because we're going. Yeah, if he's brought that up, he might as well cut that off and start to put the whole thing away.
That's a good reel, though, isn't it?
No, it's a cheapie, £11 from Lidl's. I only bought it for the boy, but he's not quite ready for it. He wants to come on a boat, but he's not quite ready for it. But if it's not going to last 2 or 3 months, it ain't worth having. I've only used it a couple of times. And I've sprayed it out with WD-40.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
No, I won't even bother.
No.
It's not worth it. I need to get some new reels, probably, to be honest.
What is it? Just the handle, bro?
Yeah, but it's seized up inside. Yeah, it's seized up in here, that's why it wouldn't move. It's from the salt, I think. Yeah. Never mind.
Rig that up for.
What do you want to rig this up for?
What was you going to rig it up for?
I was just going to replace one on there. But
Yeah. Or just a normal run unless you're on it.
Or for a hefty bait.
Huh?
Or for a hefty bait. Or... I was just going to replace one on it. Let's put that one back on it. Take that bait, £42 price.
Not very clean water, is it?
It's getting dirty at the moment, isn't it?
Algae, isn't it?
Channel 67 standby. 67.
I ain't exactly herring along, are we?
Sorry.
Keep jigging it up. It's a dogfish. Oh, how the dogfish. Pair.
A bit small, do you think, or not?
It's small.
Yeah.
Bit small, that one.
Yeah, bring back. Nice. Thank you.
Right away. There he goes. Place.
No, I have.
No, you have, yeah. I got the bottom now. You know. Oh,
You got one as well?
yeah.
I got one as well.
Mine's a keeper. Right. Hang on. We ain't ready for this. What are you doing?
I've got to try and see this one actually. Grab that one. Got it?
Yeah. Way down.
Oh really?
Yeah. Yeah, way down. Fucking hell.
What if we take it out for the gill? No good?
Try taking it out for the gill if you
Or
want.
has it just got to go out?
He's gone way down, look.
Oh, it has, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if we can take it out for the gill, through that way. It's a long way down there, mate, isn't it? In my, just my bag, there's some long tweezers things. Maybe just. Can you grab that? Anything?
Fucking way down. Don't know, can you see if you can get through there with it, if you take it out through the gill?
Nice one.
Yeah. There you go. Put in the rod holder.
That's big enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
Here's your pencil, mate. What about you?
Yeah.
I've got a fish, or you've got a fish, one of you know.
You got a fish.
Small thing.
He's well wrapped up. So can you unclip that?
Yep.
I ain't got nothing. Gary's got it.
Yeah, she's unclipped.
Shit. Put him in the bucket. We'll bring the bucket over here.
Could be some big ones down there somewhere.
Just cut that. That one did look like he was just lightly hooked.
Yeah, look at this one.
That last one.
This little one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What the fuck is done there?
Yeah. Where the way it goes.
I think it's in the right now. Really quick, it's not great. Put it back, see how it goes.
Yeah.
You got one, Steve? Yeah. You've gone. You keeper.
Keeper.
Oh well. Come on, Derek. Didn't do that one.
Jeez, there's no going back for that one. We got a whiting, little whiting, a whiting. Let's get him unhooked and get him back.